Okay, last class we discussed about the chemical bond and ionic bond, then next covalent bond. Covalent bond definition: a chemical bond formed equal contribution and mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms is called as covalent bond. A covalent bond formed between similar atoms is called as non-polar covalent bond. Covalent bond was proposed by Lewis. It is formed generally if the electronegativity difference between two atoms is less than 1.9. Each atom contributes equal number of electrons for sharing. The sharing takes in pairs. The shared electron pair belongs to both the bonded atoms and contribute for the stability of atoms. Sharing can involve one pair, two pairs, or three pairs of electrons. This results formation of single, double, or triple bond respectively. They are shown by the symbols single bond, double bond, triple bond. Single line is single bond, double line is double bond, triple line is triple bond respectively. Okay, this covalent bond formed in equal contribution or mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. Then next, a covalent bond formed between similar atoms of element is called as non-polar covalent bond. The resulting molecules are non-polar molecules. The bond pairs of electrons are shared equally by both the atoms. Example: H2, O2, N2, Cl2, F2, P4, S8, etc. A covalent bond formed between dissimilar atoms is called polar covalent bond. The resulting molecules are polar molecules. In this bond, the bond pair of electrons shared equally by the atoms. So the more electronegative atom gets partial negative charge and less electronegative atom gets partial positive charge. Example: HCl, H2O, NH3. The formation of covalent bond can be explained by Lewis theory. In this non-polar covalent bond is formed between similar atoms of elements is called non-polar covalent bond, and polar covalent bond is formed dissimilar atoms is called non-polar covalent bond. Lewis dot model or electron dot model. Lewis explained the formation of a covalent bond by electron dot model The important points in the model are: electrons present in the outer shell only are used for bonding. In last class we discussed the electrons which is present in outermost orbit. That electrons called as valency electrons. The shell is called valency shell. Second one, the sharing of outer electrons results the covalent bond formation. Third one, the bonded atoms get octant configuration to get stability. Each valency electron of bonded atom is regarded as a point charge indicated as dot. Then next, hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atom has a single electron in its orbit. It requires one more electron to attain stability. Each atom contributes one electron and the electron pair is shared between two hydrogen atoms. Hence, a single covalent bond is formed between two hydrogen atoms. Oxygen atom has 6 valency electrons, in which 2 electrons are unpaired. It requires 2 more electrons to attain stability. 2 oxygen atoms share their unpaired electrons to get stability. As 2 electron pairs are shared, a double bond is formed between 2 oxygen atoms. The oxygen atoms between double bond or formation. Nitrogen molecule N2. Nitrogen atom has 5 valency electrons in which 3 electrons are unpaired. It requires 3 more electrons to attain stability. 2 nitrogen atoms share their unpaired electrons to get stability. As 3 electron pairs are shared, a triple bond formed between 2 nitrogen atoms. In this theory, the electrons present in outermost orbit, the electrons are used in bonding. The sharing of outer electrons results the covalent bond formation. It gets octant or stable configuration. Each valency electron is represented as single point or a dot. In hydrogen molecule, to form hydrogen between two hydrogen atoms or single bond formation, it requires one more electron to attain stability. Each atom contributes one electron and the electron pair is shared between two hydrogen atoms. Hence, a single covalent bond is formed between hydrogen atoms. Oxygen molecule, it contains 6 valence electrons. It requires 2 more electrons. It's share their unpaired electrons to get stability. So double bond formed between two oxygen atoms, as it is the same nitrogen molecule form triple bond. Limitations of Lewis dot model. This theory cannot explain the stability of molecules which do not obey octant rule. Example: BCl3, BeCl2, PCl5, SF6, etc. It cannot explain shapes and bond characters of polyatomic molecules. Example H2O, CH4, NH3, BF3, CO2, SO2, etc. Then next properties of ionic bond and covalent bond. Next coordinate covalent bond. Ionic compounds are crystalline solids. The solid state is due to the sharing of electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. The ionic compounds are hard and brittle. Ionic compounds are soluble in polar solvents like water. The ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point values. The reason for the high values is due to the strong attraction forces between oppositely charged ions. Ionic compounds are good conductors. They conduct electricity in aqueous solution and in fused state. In fused state or in solution, the ions separate and move freely, hence they conduct electricity. Ionic compounds are exhibit Ionic compounds do not exhibit isomerism. It is non-directional. Ionic compounds are participate in chemical reactions are very fast. The chemical reactions between ionic compounds in solution are very fast and take place completely due to the attraction of oppositely charged ions. Then next properties of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are gases, liquids, solids. General covalent compounds are gases or volatile liquids or solids with low melting and boiling points. The force of attraction between the molecules of covalent compounds are weak van der Waals forces, so the melting and boiling points are low. Covalent compounds are soluble in nonpolar solvents. The covalent compounds are usually nonpolar, hence they are soluble in nonpolar solvents like alcohol, benzene, ether, etc. They are insoluble in water. Covalent compounds are non-conductors. It does not conduct electricity due to lack of ions. Covalent compounds exhibit isomerism since covalent bond has a direction. Covalent compounds are participate in chemical reactions are very slow. Covalent compounds containing with low melting point and boiling point. Coordinate covalent bond, a bond formed between two atoms by sharing of electron pair contributed by one of the bonding atoms is called coordinate covalent bond. The atom which gives electron pair is called donor and another atom which accepts electron pair is called acceptor. The coordinate covalent bond is indicated by an arrow mark from donor to acceptor. In this coordinate covalent bond, the two atoms by sharing of electron pair contributed by one of the bonding atoms in one atom containing extra electron pair, one is a vacant orbital, the which give electron pair, that is called donor, and which is accept electron pair, that is called acceptor. The bond formed is between donor and acceptor. This is called coordinate covalent bond. Example 1. Nitrogen of ammonia contains a lone electron pair, so ammonia act as donor. Boron of boron trifluoride contains a vacant orbital in the valency orbit, so boron trifluoride act as acceptor. Hence a coordinate covalent bond is formed between ammonia and boron trifluoride. Second example, nitrogen of ammonia contains a lone electron pair, so ammonia acts as donor, H plus acts as acceptor, so a coordinate covalent bond is formed between ammonia and H plus. Okay, these are the types of chemical bonds. Different types. First one is the chemical bond definition and electronic theory of valency. Then next to types of chemical bonds, that is one is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond, third one is metallic and coordinate covalent bond. Then next discussed about the ionic bond definition, which is essential steps for the formation of ionic bond, and example sodium chloride and magnesium oxide. Then next to covalent bond, the ionic bond is formed transfer of an electron to one atom to another atom. Covalent bond is formed equal contribution or mutual sharing of electrons, and the chemical bond formed between similar atoms of a molecule is known as non-polar covalent bond. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, these are the non-polar covalent compounds. Polar covalent bond, the bond formed dissimilar atoms of a molecule is known as non-polar covalent bond. HCl, H2O, NH3, best example for the non-polar covalent bond. Then next discussion about the some rules, Lewis dot model and examples: hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule and nitrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule taken one electron to form single bond and attain stability. Oxygen taken two electrons, double bond formation, it is also attain the stability. And nitrogen taken three electrons, triple bond formation. Whenever is a single bond is sigma bond, the double bond, one is sigma bond, another one is pi bond, and triple bond, one is sigma bond, another two is the pi bonds. Then next different properties of ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Ionic compounds are solids. Covalent compounds are solid, liquids, and gases. Ionic compounds are soluble in polar solvents like water. Covalent compounds are soluble in nonpolar solvents like benzene, ether, carbon tetrachloride. Ionic compounds are good conductors. Covalent compounds are insulators. Ionic compounds do not exhibit isomerism. Covalent compounds are exhibit isomerism. Fifth one, ionic compounds are participate in chemical reactions are very fast. Covalent compounds are participate in chemical reactions are very slow. Ionic compounds containing with high melting point and boiling point values. Covalent compounds containing low melting point and boiling points. These topics are the chemical bond. In this topic, asking the questions, define chemical bond, and first one, second one, write the postulates of electronic theory of valency. Third one, ionic define ionic bond, explain with one example, or define ionic bond, explain with magnesium oxide example. Fourth one, define covalent bond, explain formation of covalent bond in a nitrogen molecule. Then next, coordinate, define coordinate covalent bond, explain with one example. In coordinate covalent bond, one is a donor, the electrons give, that is donor, the electron acceptor, the electron accepts is called acceptor. In this example, ammonia is donor, boron trifluoride is acceptor. To form ammonia boron trifluoride complex. Then next, to write the properties of ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Another question in the last two classes discussed about the write the differences between ionic compounds and covalent compounds, and then next, define coordinate covalent bond, explain with one example.